Hey, this is Caleb with the Bluebird Inn. To get inside our front door, right here we have the lock. You're gonna see it when you get here. To make the lock work, you're gonna swipe your finger across the screen. It's gonna light up like that, and you're gonna type in the last 4 digits of your phone number, followed by the pound sign. So here's what that's gonna look like. You're gonna swipe your finger, last 4 digits, and then the pound sign. You'll hear it say unlocked, and then 5 seconds later, it'll lock behind you. Welcome inside. To get inside your room, it's the same idea. You're gonna come to the lock, swipe your finger, and then type in the last 4 digits, followed by the pound sign. To get inside your room, there you go. To lock the door behind you, same idea. Swipe your finger across till it lights up, then hold down the pound sign for 3 seconds. And that's it. We're excited to have you here. The Clover room is downstairs. Upstairs is the Lupin room, the Aspen room, and the suite. We're super excited to have you here, and please let us know if we can help. Welcome to the Bluebird.